Hello everyone and welcome. So today I will be helping you with solving two-step equations. So like the name says, a two-step equation is an equation that takes two steps to solve. So previously we did one-step equations and those only took one step. So a two-step equation can have both a coefficient with a variable, which can be any symbol that could represent it, and also a plus or minus a value. And then that would equal another value. Of course, you can also switch up the formats to make it have two steps to solve the equation. So an example of that would be 2x plus 8 equals 18. So in order to do this one, we would have to minus 8 to both sides. And this would cross out. This would be 10. And then this here would make that 2x plus 10. And this x here, we would solve that by dividing both sides by 2. So this will cross out, and this would change into 5. Alright, so then this would be x equals 5. So we can also do it differently, and we can do that by 3x over 2 equals 10. So this one is different, but we would still have two steps in order to solve this. So this can take two steps or one step, but just for the sake of this list, we'll just use two steps. So for this one, we can do 2. We would multiply 2 by both sides. These will cross out. So then this would be 20. And then we would have all this equal to 3x equals 20. So then we would divide both sides by 3, making this cross out and making this equal to 20 over 3. And 20 over 3 cannot be simplified any further. So that would be what we get as a final answer. So let's just try the one-step part, which is sort of an extra for this lesson. So then this would be 3x over 2, and that would equal 10. So we can just have this here be 3 over 2, x equals 10, and then we would just go ahead and divide both sides by 3 over 2. So this would go, and this would be 10 over 3 over 2, and then we would have that be 10 times 2 over 3. So then this is 20 over 3, just like what we got here. Alright, so let's try some examples of that. And for the first one, it asks to solve x over 3 minus 7 equals 28. So on this one, we would take this over here. X over 3 minus 7 equals 28. This, we would have to add 7 to both sides. Crossing this out, this would be 21. And that would leave us with x over 3 equals 21. Multiplying both sides by 3, this would equal 63. So x would equal 63 here. Or let's solve the next one. So this one asks to solve 2x minus 8 equals 20. So we would have to plus 8 to both sides here. This would cross out. This would be 28. 2x equals 28. Then we would divide both sides by 2. This here would equal 14. This is x equals 14. Alright, let's move on to the third one. So this one asks to solve 5x plus 10 equals 70. So 5x plus 10, we would have to first subtract 10 from both sides. 60 here, and 5x equals 60. This divided by 5 would be x equals 12. Alright, let's do the fourth one. So this one asks to solve 5x minus, 50 minus x equals 20. So that would be plus x to both sides. So this would be 50 equals 20 plus x. So then this we would minus 20 from both sides. So this will cross out. This would be 30. So 30 equals x. Alright, let's do the next one. And that one asks to solve 2 over x equals 17. So this one, first we would multiply both sides by x. First that is 17x equals 2. So then here let me put that somewhere else. 17x equals 2. Dividing both sides by 17. So that would get us 2 over 17. So that would be the answer for this one. Okay, and then for the sixth one, that asks to solve 5x minus 9 equals 29. Okay, so for this one, we would have to plus 9 to both sides. I'll put that over here. 5x minus 9 equals 29. Plus 9 to both sides first. This would be 38 equals 5x. And then we would have to divide 5 by both sides. So x would equal 38 over 5. Alright, let's do the seventh one. So that one asks to solve 16x equals 19 minus 3. So this one, technically it would only take one step to solve, but since the right side of this equation is 19 minus 3, that would also count as a step. So this equals 16, and then we would just have 16x equals 16 divided both sides by 16. Of course, we could just see that x equals 1. So x would equal 1 here. Right, and then for the last one, that one asks to solve 17x plus 43 equals what are 62. So this one has high numerical value, but we would just still use the same process to solve that. So we would first, I'll just put this up here, way up here. This would be 17x plus 43 equals 162. Okay, so we would have to minus 43 for both sides. This would turn into 17x equals 119, I believe. And then this would be divide by 17 from both sides. And then this would equal 7. So x would equal 7. So that would be the final answer for that one. So I guess that would end our lesson for today. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to post all of those into the comment section. Thank you.